My family has always been in some form of photography or videography. My grandfather was taking 8mm films of his family. We were always sitting around the TV, watching his videos, critiquing his videos. I was really fortunate that my dad is a photographer by passion, and he took me under his wing and just taught me everything. And when he decided to learn Avid and editing while I was still in high school, I got to just learn along the way with him. And that opened a lot of doors to take something that I love to watch and learn how to make it interesting and how to play with it. I was working in New York as a post-production PA, and I was doing a lot of vlogging and a lot of incredible stuff. Worked with HBO boxing, got to work on the Women's World Cup, but I was kind of stuck, and I hit that glass ceiling where I thought that was all I could do. Finding a place like Full Sail to empower me and inspire me and get that confidence helped me move up. And while I didn't go back and work for them, there's always opportunities when you keep good relationships. And it's amazing that they were able to see me go from someone who was just entry level and trying to figure things out to saying, this is the decision that I'm making and I'm confident about the decision that I'm making. My work with the Orlando Film Commission completely came from my volunteership with Women in Film and Television Florida. I started to volunteer on that board, became one of their first junior board members, and got to know the group. My close relationship with Jen Pennypacker at the Film Commission through Women in Film and Television absolutely cemented my love for the work that they did. I hadn't known what film commissions did at the time. So when I got to learn that maybe I could use some of my volunteership and service to the community that I grew up with, combined with my passion for entertainment, it seemed like a dream come true. But I learned people don't leave these jobs, and there's very few positions in it around the world. And so there's not a lot of opportunities. Jen found an opportunity she wanted to go pursue, and there had been an opening at the Orlando Film Commission right at that time. And so she, worked hard to get me in for interviews and got me in, and I started as the coordinator for the department, doing all the permits and learning about all the locations and organizing everything. And I've had a lot of crazy fun projects that have come through, whether it's been trying to film a Chrysler commercial in the middle of the Winter Park Art Festival to working on Tomorrowland with Disney. We get to play this little part in bigger projects and help bring a story to life in our community. Orlando has this perception that it's a transition town, and you come here for something, but it's not for a lifetime. What I originally thought was going to be a quick 9-month program at Full Sail turned into working for the Orlando Economic Partnership, where I actually go out and share the story of this community that has built up artistry and music and business and a type of inclusion and collaboration that I haven't found in a lot of other communities. And I think that's what makes this place so special. And I don't plan on leaving anytime soon.